And here comes one of my favorites.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring, representing the NWO from Busan, South Korea, weighing in at 210 pounds, the Idol of Princess.
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who can blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight. A competitor who always has his game face on, ready for a major battle.
Yeah, now we're talking.
Representing the NWO from South Korea, weighing in at 100 pounds, the Idol of Magical Girl.
And guys, this looks to be a match with major implications here at WWE. Could change the entire landscape here. A very high-pressure situation ahead for this guy, but he is more than ready for it. And here we have a superstar who's been grinding his teeth at the Performance Center as of late.
Yeah, a consistent work ethic is what you're talking about, Michael. He's not someone who will rest on his laurels.
He never has been, and that dedication is what puts him in position to win tonight. Yeah, but meeting him in the ring's quite an obstacle. There's nothing about this superstar that signifies he'll be a pushover. Ouch. Great athleticism. He's rising to his feet in a perilous situation. Turns it around. Ooh. Oh, man, what a strong kick. Oh, God.
It has to be demoralizing to just get slapped like that.
If that doesn't fire you up, I don't know what will. Oh, he flips that around. One answer after another. Neither competitor giving an inch. Oh, and fights back. Suplex. Under the ropes and back into the ring. He goes for the quick pin. And an early kick out. Nah, not yet. Too early. Right to the knee. These attacks are starting to impact him. Taking a bit of damage, but he shouldn't worry. Look at this. Good Lord. Taking flight.
They got all of that. Just taking flight and soaring through the sky. He is in the zone, and he wants everyone to know it.
showing. Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in.
Allows the opponent to get to the ropes and get out of that bad situation.
Oh! Headed out to ringside now. What does he have planned?
Oh, this is just torturous.
Yeah, the death lock applied.
Oh, man. Just tap out.
Nowhere to go. He gets into the ring.
Picking up momentum. Two forearms, find the target, ducks out of the way, and out.
Shoulders down, going for the cover. A kick out before three. Couldn't quite slam the door yet. Clubbing blow. Ouch.
Great ring awareness saved him.
Split blade. Can he do it here? Getting the shoulder up before two. He's still in this. All the way up and down. I think we know what's coming next. In the wheelhouse. 619.
He's getting pumped, he's getting focused, and he's taking the WWE Universe with him.
No way. Shooting star.
This has to be it. There's no way to recover.
And they're still in this.
Somehow, some way, escapes defeat. Still alive.
All of that work, all these big moves, and it still didn't earn the fall.
Going right into the pin attempt.
He kicks out before the count starts. I'm having a hard time believing that one.
And he's got him in his sights. Got him right where he wants him.
Oh, the knee is being torn apart now.
Had the foresight to get out of that one.
Samoan driver.
Oh, man, this might be it.
Two. A kick out at two.
What a match.
He's climbing to the top.
Uh-oh. Double foot stomp. He may be out for good after that. Cover.
He's still in this fight.
How close was that?
That was about as close as it could get without it all being over for him. And you got to think that all the plans are out the window after that.
Amazing agility, slingshot senton.
These superstars' bodies must be racked with excruciating pain.
This is the true testament. Who can dig down, pull the lever, and become the aggressor?
Caught the leg and makes them pay.
Taking out the legs, taking out the ability to create separation.
Right on point. I think he's totally gassed.
Taking on so much offense. You got to worry about the lingering effects.
Watch out. Axe handle from the middle rope. Now into the cover.
The fate of the match is at stake.
He kicks out at two.
He just won't give up.
Incredible athleticism. He's headed up high. No way. Shooting star press.
A thing of beauty. Right on target.
And that'll do it. It's finally over with the win.
Here is your winner, the Idol, Magical Girl.
An important victory for him in this match.
He was as on top of things as he could possibly be here tonight, and look how it paid off.